Well, welcome back. This is Ninja Timer Head-to-Head, the timing for running head-to-head races. This is one of our simpler, but also can be highly complex software to understand and get to know. So I'll just take you over a whole bunch of things, including the user interface and what each works and how it all does. So starting at the top, you've obviously got your race, your queue, and your display. This display works for sharing to screens, so spectators can see the run order as it works. This is your athlete queue, so you can add your athlete names in here if you want to display them. You can select manual, left or right lane, click add, or you can do a mass import. Again, one athlete per line, or your left lane, or your right lane, click import. It will then bring them here into a queue. When you come back here, that will display their names here in their left and right lane. You can also edit from here as well. So if you're just doing a final or something, one-off run, you can edit that way. In terms of the settings and stuff, this is our 3-second countdown. So when we hit go, it'll play 3 seconds and play some beeping noises as well for your athletes. Coming across into our settings, as you can see, obstacle, you can set a limit, which means you've got 8 obstacles in your course, set a limit, 8 obstacles. That works really well, and then once you click here on the last obstacle, it will auto cut out as a finish. You can also change in your penalty time and a tick to if you're using the queue and the athlete queuing system to require confirmation before next. Obviously, the large button just enlarges them all, makes it a bit more visible. Could be handy for some of you. This is our log. It will show all your previous actions just for your sake. And the keys. This is really important. There's a whole bunch of hotkeys that you can use across your keyboard. It's your universal, so space, which is to start the race, pause is P, reset is R, undo is U, emergency freeze if you need to suddenly stop everything, just hit escape, it'll freeze everything. X is to swap lanes, and Control L is to lock all the shortcuts, so none of the keyboard things work, and it's just button clicks. And then obviously Control C is for the confirmations. In terms of our left lane, right lane, we use the AWSD as well as the F and the Q at the same time. So yeah, you can see there which ones do what, and same on the right side, using I guess the H, J, K, L, I, and O. See ya. Then coming down here, assuming you have your 3 seconds on, you can either click start, hit space, it'll play down, and it'll begin both athletes. You can then either choose to click, or you can use the hotkeys. In terms of things, fail, we'll mark them as a fail like that and give the win to the other person. Finish, we'll give them a finish time like that. If you need to add penalties, you can. Same with DQing them as well. That's obviously what it looks like on there. If you want an athlete on a fail, I'll show you that too. It's obviously failed that. It's reset. Yeah. The other one is false start. If an athlete chooses to thing, you can just false start them. And that will allow the other athlete to keep racing and finish. As you see there, they're false started. We have a winner. It displays well. Obviously, your emergency freeze. The only way to unfreeze it is to press reset. If you need to swap lanes, that would do that, and as well as next if you're using the athlete queue. So that is Ninja Timer Head-to-Head. We hope you enjoyed, and see you around the course soon.